This is Dietitian Faheem Mustafa. Welcome to dietinmedics.com. Today we'll discuss about the types of ketogenic diet. And the first type of ketogenic diet is the standard ketogenic diet. And in the standard ketogenic diet, the macronutrient distribution is we take 5% carbohydrate, 20% protein, and 75% of fat in our diet. And the second type of ketogenic diet is the modified ketogenic diet. Second type is modified ketogenic diet. This type of diet is used when a person want to move out from the ketosis state. And if a person is using standard ketogenic diet for a long time and now he want to move out from the ketosis state, in that case will shift that person will be shifted to the modified ketogenic diet. And in the modified ketogenic diet, we increase the ratio of percentage of carbohydrate and protein in our diet. That is the we increase it up to 30% carbohydrate, 30% protein, and remaining 40% fat. The third type of the ketogenic diet is the cyclic ketogenic diet. In this diet, the macronutrients distribution is same as in the standard ketogenic diet. That is 5% protein, 20% 5% carbohydrate, 20% protein, and 75% fat. But this type of diet is used by those persons who are unable to stick to the standard ketogenic diet for a long time. And in this type, we can add carbohydrates in our diet for 1 to 2 days in a week. That's why it's called cyclic ketogenic diet. That in this type of diet, carbohydrates can be added in our diet for 1 to 2 days in a week, and in the remaining days, in the remaining 5 days, we'll use the standard ketogenic diet, that is 5% carbohydrate, 20% protein, and 75% fat. While in 2 days of week, there for 1 to 2 days, we can add carbohydrates in our diet. And the third type of the ketogenic diet is the targeted ketogenic diet. In the targeted ketogenic diet, percentage macronutrients distribution is same as in the standard ketogenic diet, but we in this type of diet we add carbohydrates around the workouts. We add extra carbohydrate around the workouts. The percentage in this case is same as in the standard ketogenic diet, that is 5% carbohydrate, 20% protein, and 75% fat. But in the days when you are doing exercise, when you are taking exercise, in those days you will add extra carbohydrates. That is extra, we add extra carbohydrates around workouts. So the fourth type of ketogenic diet is the restricted ketogenic diet. And in the restricted ketogenic diet, this type of diet was designed for cancer patients. This type of diet was designed for the treatment of cancer. Numerous studies have showed that ketogenic diet that actually fight against the cancer, that reduce the risk of cancer and treat the cancer. And in this diet, along with the restriction of carbohydrates, we also restrict overall calories. That we also restrict carbohydrate, that is 5%, 20% protein, and 75% fat. That ratio is same. But we restrict calories also. In this diet, we restrict calories along with restriction of carbohydrate, and this diet is specially designed for cancer patients. And the final type of ketogenic diet is high protein ketogenic diet. High protein ketogenic diet. And in the high protein ketogenic diet, this type of diet is designed for those who want to preserve their muscle mass, like in bodybuilders and like in other older people. And in this type of diet, we increase the percentage of protein, that we increase from 20% to 30%. The carbohydrate ratio is percentage is same, and it decreased from 75 to 65%. And this is diet is specially designed for those who want to preserve their muscle mass, like bodybuilders and older population. If you have any question, feel free to ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lecture.